Welcome and thank you everyone for joining us at this second session of our Marine Club Winter Luncheon Speaking Series for 2025. I'm Bruce Burrows, President and CEO of the Chamber of Marine Commerce. Today we bring you a virtual information session on a topic that has dominated discussion in the stock market in virtually every industry, including logistics. In this session, we will take a deep dive into artificial intelligence. I will now turn the proceedings over to our first speaker from today's event sponsor. Payman is from Soshianest, as I think you know by now, so welcome, Payman.
My name is Payman Eslami. Thank you very much for joining this event. I'm founder and CEO of Soshianest. We are at exciting time of in the technology in the maritime industry, where the technology is transforming the global trade. In this event, my goal is to elaborate how Soshianest can help industry stakeholders to stay competitive and support them, how we can support them to adapt AI in this industry. We have defined a clear mission for ourselves, and that is to help industry decision makers and stakeholders to get informative decision by information that we pull out and provide them from data. So not only to provide the history, but also the proper insight of the future to help them to have a better decision-making opportunity and stay competitive. We have made the good collaboration and a strategic partnership with Mitacs and University of Victoria. We have geared up and with the support of government to do this mission. It's worth to mention that last year we were selected by Canadian International Innovation Program for the 2024 PDA delegation in Singapore. But why we are talking about AI? I think that's the question that most of the people have. We know that we are dealing with hundreds or thousands of factors that are affecting from different angles each and every decision making. Human brain, it's out of human brain power to simultaneously analyze all those information. And also human brain is usually biased. Here is where the AI comes in. With the AI power, we can have accurate decision, an unbiased decision to get an unbiased decision making, and revealing the hidden patterns from the data. So here is how AI can help. This is an example of the categories of the factors that are affecting the market in the maritime industry. We are dealing with supply side factors, dealing with demand side factors, dealing with global economic drivers. Per case, we are talking about, if we break down each and every of these blocks, we are talking about more than 1,000 factors, and that is impossible for human brain to analyze and have an unbiased decision making. How we tackle this? The whole idea is that, again, to reveal the information from data. So in a big picture, the process starts with getting the raw data from real world, doing the process on that data, and explore the information from that. And that will help the decision makers with business insights. That's a very big picture of how we tackle and how we do the modeling. Now, if we go a little bit lower in that, from that high level picture, this basically happens we tackle this in different phases. And all these process is an iterative process. Each phase itself has got an iterative loops inside that phase. When we are, and this all again will start with data processing and feature engineering. Second phase is model training, and we have to find the best model and algorithm that works for this data and train the model. Next phase is model evaluation. We have to evaluate the model and so on. And this is an iterative process, and the crucial part of that is continuous model improvement. Some people might think that, okay, if you train the model, you are done and now you can use it forever. It is not like that. That model needs continuous improvement. Here is where the magic happens. We have taken, as an example, we have taken all those boring, complicated stuff, and we have developed a very user-friendly dashboard for the users. And we provide freight rate prediction. This is our MVP. This is what we have developed as a start. I will come back to this point, that why we have chosen freight rate prediction. But what we do provide, we have tackled more than 170, so far more than 170 the type of ships and routes, from wet bulk to dry bulk to liner, and few commodities as well. Commodities we are going to expand it in the next phases. We provide prediction in that platform. You can easily, in your fingertips, with few clicks, you can navigate and you can see the weekly prediction, monthly prediction, quarterly prediction, and annual predictions. And for each of them, you can easily see 3 steps ahead. So everything is on fingertips. I will come back why we tackle the freight rate. But we know that the overall industry challenges, from market volatility, from regulatory sustainability, from operational cost and forces that we have, from legacy systems that we have to deal with them and adapt them with new technology, from supply chain, from all aspects, this industry is under pressure. The reason we selected the freight rate, because freight rate plays like a central node and help, again, industry decision makers from different angles, from operational and financial impact, from smart decision making. Freight rate forecast will help the decision makers, and so on. As an example, knowing which direction market is going helps the decision maker to negotiate better and decide better with the right time and vision of the future of market. From risk management, from scenario planning, from even fuel consumption and cost optimization, by selecting the most profitable route based on the vision that you have, it helps in that angle as well. The areas that less are affected by freight rate prediction are sustainability and vessel performance and port and terminal, which in that cases also we have AI solution which we can develop and apply and help the industry. As an example, from sustainability point of view, we can work on, with the help of AI, and develop optimized model when it comes to the fuel consumption. We can use the machine learning to simulate the energy efficiency for routes. When it comes to vessel performance, with the help of AI, we can develop an AI-driven predictive maintenance tool that, with getting online information from the vessel, it predicts if there is any anomaly coming up and advises the operator that here is the point that you need to take action, and that helps reducing the vessel downtime, as we know, and saving the maintenance costs. So from different angles, AI can help to support decision makers. We are not going to go deep into Gen AI here. That's not the intention. But we, Soshianest, we have geared up in that direction to implement and develop Gen AI. We have already developed the pipeline and process. More integration needs to be done, and more module we need to develop to tackle. We know one of the main factors that we need for Gen AI to help us in the maritime industry is scenario forecasting. The whole idea of Gen AI is to have interactive insights. So this is the direction that we are heading, and we are sure that that can help decision makers even better. But here is the good news. We have support of Mitacs and government, and we are calling for your engagement here. We can tackle any unique challenge that you have, and we can provide a tailored solution for your challenge. And of course, we can design a pilot program together and see the benefit of that. Thank you. Thank you very much for your time.